gang, welcome back to the channel. I'm back at it again with another video, and it's your girl Mika. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I've already applied my pop-off method and applied my full cover nail tips and went ahead along the side walls of the nails. Now I am just going to apply my polish, which is the Creation Professional Soak Off Gel in the color P25, I think. No, that is P26, sorry. So yeah, I'm going in with the color of P26. I am going to go in with one coat of this gel color, and I am going to cure it in the lamp for a total of 60 seconds. So now for my second layer, I'm going to go in with this jelly pink color, jelly nude-ish pink color, just to create my own nude polish. So yeah, I'm just going to go on top with this color, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cure it in the lamp for a total of another 60 seconds. Okay, so let me explain really quick. So I am doing French tips on this set. Now I wanted to go in with this gel polish. It is a 𝕒𝕗𝕗𝕚𝕚 gel polish called Frosty, and it's a color changing polish. So I wanted to use this polish because I never used it before. And what, Alexa? And so it just went entirely wrong. I couldn't really see where the color was at, and it did not go with the set. So you guys are going to see me do my pinky and another finger, so it's going to be 2 fingers that you guys are going to see me do a French tip. So let's not just look at the color of the French tip, let's just look at how the French tip is being applied. Because we're not gonna stud this color. We're not gonna pay attention to this color, because this color I did file this color off, and I did that off camera just to spare y'all, because I did not want to hold y'all. So once I noticed that this was not looking how I wanted it to look, I did go ahead and just wipe that mess off. Well, I cured it, and then I didn't like it when I was trying to do that second coat. So this is the color that I did go in with. I did not show you guys me drawing the French for those other 2 nails, so I am just going to show you guys with me doing it for my thumb. Okay, so now I have another nail to explain. Guys, this set, I don't know. I don't know. I was maybe having a bad day, a bad nail day. I don't know. But, okay, so with this is supposed to be a swirl. Maybe I'm going in with the wrong type of liner brush to do a swirl, because as you see, that was just not hitting where it was supposed to hit. So I wiped it off, and I'm going to try again. But I'm still using the same brush, and as you see, it's not really getting any better. So comment down below and let me know, like, am I using the wrong type of brush? Should I go in with a shorter brush to create swirls? Because I definitely want to do swirl type of nails, but my swirls never look like swirls. But once I did go ahead and play around with it a little bit, and seeing like where I can fix it, I did go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to take some alcohol and dip it in a brush, dip it on a brush, and I'm just going to clean up the area to make it look a little better. You shall say. So since that swirl was giving me a difficult time, I did go ahead and create that blue line off camera, and I did go ahead and do one heart off camera. Now I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing this second heart. I use the dotting tool to get the top, and I'm just taking a really fine detail brush that I made myself, which is basically pulling out the hairs and leaving a little bit of hairs in it. So I'm just taking that just to create that heart. Once the heart is, you know, how I would like it, then I am going to go ahead and place it in the lamp for a total of 60 seconds. You could do 30 because it's not like a big coat of layer. It's not heavily coated like a second coat or stuff like that. So yeah. Moving on to the index finger. This finger is just going to be covered in hearts, blue and white hearts. Yeah, so that's what I'm just going to do on this finger. And I'm just gonna let you guys watch me create these hearts, and I will be back when it's time to go ahead and top coat the nails. Alright, so this is the set. I really hope you guys like it. I did just, like I said, I am just going to go ahead and top coat the nails with a glossy top coat. Now you may see like some kind of little areas to where they look a little messed up, and that's because that's where I filed down the that blue gel polish, and it kind of went through to the nail bed color, which is totally fine because, you know, whatever, you shouldn't be that fucking close to my nails anyways, you know, trying to get all detailed, look at details and shit like that. Look at the nails, get the concept, and move the fuck along, right? Okay, anyways. So yeah, y'all, this is the nail set. I had to throw in a quick little Valentine's Day little set here. I really hope you guys does have y'all post notification bell turned on, because the 1st of February is on and popping with these Valentine's sets. So I really hope that you're ready. Okay, but anyways, now that the nails are dried, I am gonna go in with my cuticle oil and rub my nails really good. And this is the set. You know, here we go. This is it. This is all. That's it. That's all I got for you for today. Go ahead and check out any of my previous videos if you would like, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell, because February the 1st is on and popping with the Valentine's Day nails, and I hope you guys are ready for it. Some of them are some hits, some of them are some misses, but hey, I'm putting the content out there like I promised you guys. And if you ever want me to recreate a set that I did that you feel like did not look the best, comment on that video and I will definitely try to recreate that set. But anyways, I love y'all, and I don't have to say it twice. Bye. Seduce, escape, I'ma spin his cream.